If you're tired with fast fashion brands like H&M and Zara and want something new, don't worry. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very beautiful homegrown brand that just sells such trending yet good quality products, and they are so damn beautiful. You guys know I'm always supporting Indian homegrown brands, and in today's video, I'll be exactly doing that and sharing with you guys a brand that I'm obsessed with. I have tried their products and their pieces before, and that's why I am going on a vacation soon, and that's why I thought कि चलो कुछ नई चीजें order करा जाए, and that's why I have some of the pieces right here. You're gonna absolutely love this because the quality, the fabric is just top notch. बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable रहोगे, and the designs are so trending, yes, so classic, and you're gonna absolutely love the brand because they are so affordable. So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. So the brand that I'm talking about is Nets Fine, and मैंने कुछ चीजें order करा है, and oh boy, I'm totally obsessed with it. All of the pieces are so adorable and they are so comfortable and so beautiful. So I really wanted to come here and share with you guys all the pieces that I got because you guys need to get your hands on them because they are so beautiful. So let's begin. I have ordered few cord sets, एक top मैंने मंगवाया है and एक bag मैंने मंगवाया है, and you guys are not ready because these are so beautiful. So now let's go ahead and unbox this, and you guys are not ready, okay? These are all the items that I have. I'm also currently wearing one of the top which I got. मैं आपको सारी चीजें दिखाऊंगी. So these are all the items that I have. One thing that I love the most about buying and shopping from homegrown brand is that they send such beautiful handwritten letter, and you will not get something with fast fashion brands, and that's why I just love buying from small businesses and small homegrown brands. So this is what they have sent. मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाती हूँ. Hey Enrica, we hope you love the pieces from our collection. We absolutely cannot wait to see how you style and wear them. Please tag Nets Fine when you do. Love, Team Nets. And this is what they have sent. So that's the beauty of buying from small businesses and homegrown brands is that आपको छोटे-छोटे तरीके के छोटे-छोटे small detailing भेजे जाते हैं that just makes your whole entire experience so damn good. So the very first item that I got is this ebony waistcoat because I have been obsessing over this waistcoat trend because it just looks so nice. You don't have to put a lot of effort in order to style the items, and that's why मैंने इनके website से ये पहला चीज order करा है. So it is called ebony waistcoat, retails for 1400 rupees and size आपको extra small से extra large तक मिल जाएगा. So this is what it looks like. ठीक है, this is the product that I had ordered. I really wanted to go ahead and get something like this which is so chic, so classic. Let's go ahead and check this out. जब मैं इसे पहनूंगी तब आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा how it actually looks like. But this is what the beautiful waistcoat looks like. Is of such good quality and इसका halter neck है जो आप देख पा रहे हो. Has buttons on the front and it just looks so nice. But एक problem हुआ है कि it is a bit short for me. थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए छोटा हो चुका है. So I have to go ahead and exchange this for a larger size. So that's why I'll be ordering a size medium because मैंने order करा है in the size small, तो हल्का सा छोटा हो चुका है मेरे लिए. So this is what it looks like, which is so gorgeous. It's gonna be so perfect for the summertime. It's so easy to style and you're gonna look so nice, so chic and so damn beautiful. Then I wanted to go ahead and try out the cord sets because they are so popular and they just look so nice, so chic and so damn beautiful. So I obviously had to get few of the cord sets and I did. Okay, मैंने लिया है cord sets, दो cord sets especially मैंने लिया है. One is a skirt cord set, another one is a pant or a trouser cord set. So let's start with the trouser cord set because oh boy, it's just so damn beautiful. So this is what the beautiful cord set looks like. ये आपको अलग-अलग भी मिल जाएगा, like the pants or the trouser and the top पे आपको अलग-अलग भी आप ले सकते हो, ठीक है? But I went ahead and got both of the top as well as the trouser because I just loved how it looked. The trouser retails for 1300 rupees and the top wear retails for 1150 rupees. आपको इसका size मिल जाएगा from extra small to XL. The material, I just fell for the fabric, especially the material because it is so damn beautiful. It is cotton and it's so damn comfortable. ठीक है, this is what it looks like. My mama was like, oh boy, the fabric is so beautiful, get me one. ठीक है, मैंने उनके लिए भी ये वाला ऑर्डर करा है, but in the color beige. So this is what the pants look like. It is one of the most beautiful pants that I have worn because it's so damn comfortable, looks so nice. आप इन्हें दूसरे टॉप वेयर या फिर दूसरी चीज़ों के साथ भी पेयर अप कर सकती हो. So this is what the pants looks like. आपको यहाँ से ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग का डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा, इलास्टिक का भी डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा, and then you get the beautiful trouser right here. It's so damn beautiful, very wide leg, and आपको यहाँ पॉकेट्स भी मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, 2 पॉकेट्स भी मिल जाएंगे like this, and it's so damn beautiful. I have seen similar pants on H&M and Zara that retails for like 1,000 rupees. So if you are wanting to go ahead and buy linen, cotton pants that is of very good quality, you can definitely go ahead and check this out. You're gonna be absolutely satisfied and आप बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाओगी. And this is what the top wear looks like. सारे try-ons आ जाएंगे, do not worry. So this is what the beautiful top wear looks like. The material, I just fell in love and इतना मैं खुश हुई थी ना the moment I touched the fabric because it's so soft and it is gonna be so good for the summertime. ठीक है, so this is what the टॉप वेयर लुक्स लाइक. आप देख पा रहे हो बहुत ही बेसिक है, येट इट्स सो शिक एंड सो वेरी फाइन एंड क्लासी. सेम चीज आपको बेज रंग का भी मिल जाएगा जो मैंने मम्मा के लिए ऑर्डर करा है. सो दिस इज व्हाट द फर्स्ट स्कर्ट्स एंड लुक्स लाइक व्हिच आई गॉट फ्रॉम नेप्साइंस, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर जब आप इसे ऑर्डर करोगे आप बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाएगी बिकॉज दिस इज गोना बी so comfortable and you're gonna look so nice and so damn beautiful. The next corset that I have ordered because I'm going on a vacation soon is this very beautiful skirt corset. I'm wearing the top right now and this is what it looks like. The material, nothing beats this because it's so comfortable and with every wash it is just going to be more and more soft. You can also go ahead and use this top as a blouse and wear your saris. This is going to be such a beautiful multi-purpose tops. This is the Heidi top. Retails for 1,200 rupees. Sizes आपको मिल जाता है from extra small to XL and the fabric is cotton. Like I said, every single fabric has been so beautiful कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable रहोगे and that's the beauty of homegrown brands. आप fast fashion brands से बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, चाहे आप बहुत ज़्यादा महंगी चीज़ें भी ले लो. You will get mixed fabric which are not very good for the skin and आप बहुत ज़्यादा uncomfortable भी रहोगे. And I especially prefer cotton over any other fabric, especially during the summer time, ताकि मेरा skin breathe कर पाए and I stay absolutely comfortable. This is what the top looks like and this is what I'm wearing. मैं सारी try on आपको दिखा दूंगी, do not worry. I've changed into a different top because I really wanted to show you the Heidi top that I was wearing actually, and ये मैंने order करा है in the size small. I just love it because I can use it in multiple different ways as a blouse, to wear with my saris, as a crop top, as a beach wear and whatnot. So this is what the beautiful Heidi top looks like. It's so damn beautiful. इसका neck इतना खूबसूरत है. आप normal regular plunge वाले bra भी पहन सकते हो. Straps थोड़ा सा हटा देना and you're all set. You can also wear those strapless bra. If you're comfortable, just wear nipple pasties and that's it. मैं इसे regular bra के साथ ही पहनी हुई थी. Just मैंने straps हटा दिया. So this is what the beautiful top looks like. It has this very beautiful puff, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा puff sleeve right here, and then the neck is just absolutely gorgeous. आप देख पा रहे हो बहुत ही beautiful neck है इसका. Knot detailing है, sweet heart neck है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है. And the skirt is the Heidi skirt which is for 1,450 rupees. Again, साइज आपको मिल जाता है from extra small to XL. The moment I received my parcel, I was just checking out if everything is all right or not. So my mom was like, हम ऐसे चीज़ें सिलवाते थे हमारे ज़माने में. So I was like, that's so cute. This is what the skirt looks like. You guys can see यहाँ हल्का सा इलास्टिक है. आपको साइड में इसका chain detailing या फिर zipper detailing मिल जाएगा. And you get the whole skirt right here. It's a very beautiful ankle length का बोल सकते depending on how high you wear the skirt. I wanted a black tiered skirt like this for such a long time, and when I saw the skirt right here on Nevsfine का website, I obviously had to order it because मेरे पास इस तरीके का white skirts बहुत है, तो मैंने सोचा कि black क्यों ना लिया जाए. So this is what the beautiful skirt looks like. Absolutely top notch quality. The fabric, the stitch, the design is just absolutely gorgeous, and it just makes you look so girly, so feminine, and आप बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगती हो. So yeah, this is what the next skirt set looks like, which is just straight out of my Pinterest board. I was searching for a sequin party wear kind of bag for the longest time, and मुझे मिल नहीं रहा था. Whatever I was ordering, I was just returning it back because I was not getting satisfied कि अरे यार मैं रख लूँ because it just looks so fine. But I found something so gorgeous. I immediately had to order it. So I wanted something very similar like this. कि इस तरीके का पार्टी वेयर बैग मुझे चाहिए था. ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं हो कि मैं कैरी ही कुछ ना कर पाऊँ, but it has to look so nice and so gorgeous. And this is what my inspiration was कि इस तरीके का कुछ ऐसा लूँ. This is what I had seen from Pinterest. I found something so similar and of such good quality, and you guys are not ready for it. I wanted something in silver that just pops out and makes a standout statement bag, and this is what I found on Nevsfine ka website, and I immediately had to order it. Okay, this is what I got. This is what I got. So this is what I have ordered. You guys, just look at the bag. मैं कितने दिनों से चाह रही थी एक bag that is perfect for party wear. जब भी मैं अपने friends के साथ जा रही हूँ, I want something that's glittery, that's statement, and this is exactly what I wanted. Look at the sequins right here. It's silver in color. आप इसका strap देख पा रहे हो, बहुत ही beautiful quality का है, and the detailing right here is just so beautiful. यहाँ से आप इनका tag देख पा रहे हो. They have the branding right here that just looks so nice. इसका price है just 1400 rupees. I have seen similar items. मैं आपको सारी चीज़ें यहाँ दे दूँगी. I have seen such similar pieces and of very smaller size. बहुत ही छोटे size के bag मैंने similar designs के या फिर similar sequin bags मैंने देखे हैं that cannot carry any of the stuff, but they retail for so much, like 2000, 3000 rupees, 4000 rupees. आप कुछ carry ही नहीं कर पाओगे. इतना सा bag है, and they are asking so much for it. So the moment I saw this, obviously I had to order it. So this is called the Glitz bag. आपको 3 कलर में मिल जाएंगे, silver, black and gold. मैंने ऑर्डर करा है in the color silver. 100% like with guarantee के साथ बोल सकती हूँ कि this is one of the most beautiful bags that I have in my collection right now. आपको यहाँ इनका branding मिल जाएगा. That is just so beautiful. Here you can see it is written Nevs, and छोटी छोटी detailing ही बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखता है, and it just stands out. You then get to see how much they have put in that effort to create a very beautiful product right here, and you get very decent sizing compartment right here to carry all of your stuff. I have carried even smaller bags, and let me say, you will be able to carry a lot of your stuff right here. So I am so happy कि मुझे इतना खूबसूरत bag मिल गया, a statement glittery sequin bag that can carry a lot of my stuff right here. So yeah, with that I would like to end today's video, and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारे products के link description box में डाल दूँगी, जरूर check कर लेना. I will also link the website link right here in my description box. So do go ahead and check that out. I will see you guys very soon. So yeah, तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.